Last week was Pie Week on 3 Things at 3. We were inspired by Thanksgiving and the pies that come with it. We made a pumpkin pie banner, the most adorable lattice-inspired handbag, an easy-to-make tea towel, and a super cute pie carrier.
And our very own Elisa showed us how to make the most perfect pumpkin pie.
Just like the tea towel we made said, you say goodbye and I say hello. It was delicious.
It was a week of shows you'll not want to miss, so be sure to catch 3 at 3 Live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, or watch it on demand via Facebook or YouTube by clicking the links below.
Watch with your girlfriends and tune into 3 Things at 3, where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover. Let's go!